What's up guys, this is Wycliffe from TechHood254, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make anywhere from $15 to $25 working from home in Kenya. Stay tuned. Welcome back guys. So as I told you, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make from 1500 shillings to 2500 shillings per hour working from home. Now this is something that you definitely want to stay tuned all the way until the end of this video so that you don't miss out on any important information. Now before I get into that, I have a method that is my number one technique to make money online in Kenya. And if you want to know what that method is, go ahead and click the link down in the description. I've used this technique for over 4 years now, and I have been able to successfully make as much as 50,000 Kenya shillings working online. And I've shown proof of that. If you missed the video, go ahead. I'm going to leave a link to that in the top right corner so that you can at least check out the proof that I'm talking about. Now, on to this video. How can you make 1500 bob to 2500 bob working online in Kenya? It's really simple, and it's two words: virtual assistants. Now, there are many businesses out there, several businesses out there getting started. And what this means is that people don't really want to hire employees that are working on site. And everything has gone digital. So basically, a lot of these companies or a lot of these entrepreneurs are looking for people that can work for them remotely. Now, remote working is where you are working from home. You're providing somebody with services while you're working from home. You're not necessarily at the office. And with this period of pandemic, there's been a lot of people working from home, and this is something that has been going on even way before that. So there are many companies that are looking for people like yourself who can work from home. Now, what exactly is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant basically is somebody who provides services virtually using digital means. There are many types of services that you can provide, and an example is handling a client's social media page. Let's say, for instance, that somebody is starting a startup or a business, and this involves creating a social media handle. It involves talking to clients, responding to clients on social media, answering the client's questions, and things like that. That's just one example. A virtual assistant can also create thumbnails for people on YouTube. A virtual assistant can also deal with Pinterest, running ads on Facebook, and things like that. There are so many different services that you can provide as a virtual assistant. Responding to emails, typing out a list of things, finding information online, researching information, and retrieving it for your clients. There's so much that you could do as a virtual assistant. Now, setting your rates is really important, and when starting out, you might have to set your rates at around $15 or $10 per hour. But as you move on with this business, and you need to think about it as a business, don't just think about this as a side hustle. If you think about it as a small side hustle, you're going to get really small returns from this. But I know of people that are making as much as five or even $8,000 working as virtual assistants in a month. That's a lot of money. You could think about that depending on how you perceive this to be. Now, am I saying that's the same amount you're going to make in your first 1, 2, 3 months? Probably not. But if you set yourself up for success, you're definitely going to hit those figures with time. Now, what do you need to become a successful virtual assistant? You will need to have a blueprint for this, and that's precisely what I've got for you. And this is something that I got from one of the best virtual assistants out there. And if you're interested in this blueprint, that will help you set your prices, look at the different fields. It's basically something that is going to assist you in putting structure to your business. I'm going to leave just go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section, and I'll be able to find a way to share that blueprint for a virtual assistant business with you. And so once you have that blueprint, you will be able to see everything from the first day where you get started with this business all the way until the last day where you're setting up your business. And it will definitely be of value to you. Again, guys, if you are looking for a newbie friendly method to make money online, go ahead and check out the comment in the comment section. I'm gonna pin a comment, and also in the description box I have a link there that will lead you to our website where we've got something special just for you. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to check out any other video on how to make an income online in Kenya, go ahead and check out any of these two videos that are appearing on the screen right now. And I'll see you guys in the next one.